Hello students! Today I'm going to show you how to make a counseling appointment with our international counselor. So the first step, you will go to the search box and go to international. Once you go to our main page, you will go ahead and look to your left and choose the option chat with a counselor. So right here, this is how you can make a counseling appointment. You go to schedule meeting, and that is going to send you to Cranium Cafe. So once you're in Cranium Cafe, it's going to let you search for the next available date and then choose what best fits you in your time and the date of the week. So right here, you can click who you want to see, which is Amy, our international counselor. And then you would choose the reason why you're meeting the counselor. Let's say I want to do a educational plan. And then I would choose if I want a phone meeting or a video meeting. And if we were back on campus, you would choose the option to do a in-person meeting. And then right here, you choose the date. Let's say I wanted to do on Tuesday, the 5th. I would choose the time slot that it works best for me. And then right here, you put your student ID number. And then if you're a continuing student, a new student, the meeting topic, you can add some more details if you want the counselor to know. Your telephone number is a very important part because we're going to send you a text confirming your appointment. And then once everything is done, you just click on the scheduling appointment and we will automatically send you an email and a text message. And that's how you make a counselor appointment. Thank you for watching the video.